Hi guys, Jeff with Construction Fastening Systems. I want to show you a quick little trick for mounting J-hooks to 5/8 and 1/2 inch rod. Rod that's possibly in place holding your cable tray. There's not a real good clip design for it, but here's something we've done in the past utilizing our PVC beam clamps, actually mounting them horizontal on the rod. This is 5/8 rod and this is 1/2 inch rod. So it's real simple to do. Just put your clamp on there. This is 5/8 rod. Take your impactor, your driver, set it down. You got a good grip, and then add your J-hook to it. And it holds quite well. I have no data for it, but it's got us out of a couple jams in the past. Now, when you're doing it on 1/2 inch, you notice that your set screw is not going to grab your rod. You're going to tighten this all the way, and this will actually be loose on the rod. But at that point, if you add a 1/2 inch 1/4 screw when you install your 2-inch J-hook or whatever J-hook you want to use, that'll pinch down against it. And again, we have no rating on it, but you see, you'll bend that J-hook well before that will let loose. So it's a simple solution. It's just utilizing our PVC beam clamps and our J-hooks for 1/2 inch and 5/8 rod. Maybe they'll find that useful. I'll put a link in the video description below for you. Available online at constructionfastening.net.